Hai adik-adik, kembali lagi dengan Kak Rina di online class 101. Kali ini kita akan belajar bahasa Inggris untuk kelas 8 dari buku Kurikulum Merdeka. Chapter 3, Love Our World, Unit 2, This is the Way. Pada bagian section 6, Your Turn Reading. Di halaman 159 sampai dengan 160. Yuk di-subscribe dulu. Klik loncengnya, like dan share juga ya. Dan boleh juga di-subscribe channel Kak Rina yang lain untuk belajar bahasa Inggris di Learning Language Academy. Dan follow IG dan Facebooknya juga di @onlineclass101.id. Gimana kabar kalian hari ini adik-adik? Semoga semuanya dalam keadaan sehat ya. Yuk kita bahas section 6 ya. Nah, your turn reading. Oke. Kemudian di sini read the text below. Nah, ini ada postingan ya. Hello friends, I have so many old books in my room. I no longer read them. What should I do with these books? Ya, kemudian ada Shakila. Do you like watching movies? I have some recommendations for you. Lalu ada juga ini Agung IBR. Di sini, hi, you can make a mini library in your house. First, sort your books based on their types. Then, prepare a mini bookshelf. You can make it from cardboard boxes. Last, keep your books on the shelf orderly based on their types. Now, everyone can read them anytime. Kemudian ada Putri Hijau. I like books too, but I like my phone more. Lalu Tita Lesta berkomentar, Hi there, I'm from Bina Karya Orphanage. The orphanage accepts all books donations. First, fill in the form in the link www.binakarya-donation.com. Then, send the books to our address. The address is provided in the link. Lastly, you will receive an email once the books arrive. Let's help the kids reach their dreams by learning from your donated books. Terus ada juga Zalfa FSP, make money from them, you can sell them. First, sort out your books that are still good. Next, cover your books with plastics. Last, offer the books to the book collectors in Palasari Market. You can buy new books by selling your old ones. Ya. Kemudian ada word box di sini, cover, lapisi, prepare, siapkan, provided, disediakan, receive, menerima, bookshelf, rak buku, orderly, sesuai urutan, no longer, tidak lagi. Nah, pertanyaan, ya, what is the main problem of the sender's post? Nah, di sini jawabannya adalah the content sender has so many old books in his or her rooms. She or he no longer reads them and does not know what she or he should do with those books. Kemudian di sini, how many people give their ideas to the problem? There are 5 people giving their ideas. They are Shakila, Agung, Putri Hijau, Tita Lesta, dan Zalfa FSP ya. Kemudian, which idea needs equipment to store the old books? Nah, di sini adalah Agung's idea ya. To make a mini library in the house by preparing a mini bookshelf from cardboard boxes to keep the books on the shelf orderly ya. Lalu what is the first step when you donate books to Bina Karya Orphanage? First, fill in the link www.binakarya-donation.com. Then send the books to the address. The address is provided on the link. Last, you will receive an email once the books has arrived. Number 5, how can old books make money? Nah, di sini you can sell old books ya. First, sort out your books that are still good. Next, cover your books with plastics. Last, offer the book to the book collectors in Palasari Market. Lalu, which comments are not related to the content? Nah, komennya adalah comments not related to the content are Shakila and Putri Hijau's comment. Lalu, which idea do you recommend to the content sender? Nah, I recommend the content sender to follow Tita Lesta and Zalfa FSP's idea, which are to donate or to sell the books. Lalu, if you have old book that you do not use any longer, what do you do with them? Yang ini jawabannya masing-masing ya, karena ya Kak Rina nggak tahu adik-adik punya ide apa aja ya. Oke, pembelajaran kita sudah selesai adik-adik. Semoga pembelajaran kita kali ini bisa bermanfaat. Yuk di-subscribe dulu, klik loncengnya, like dan share juga ya. Dan boleh juga di-subscribe channel Kak Rina yang lain untuk belajar bahasa Inggris di Learning Language Academy. Dan follow IG dan Facebooknya juga di @onlineclass101.id. Terima kasih sudah menonton sampai akhir. Mohon dimaafkan apabila ada kesalahan dalam perkataan maupun dalam materi yang diberikan. Sampai jumpa di pembelajaran berikutnya.